I just canceled 6 different AI subscriptions because I found one platform that gives me access to every major image and video AI model through a single dashboard. If you're tired of switching between Midjourney, Runway, Leonardo, and 5 other tabs just to finish one project, what I'm about to show you will save you hours every single week.
You just said that. You always do. You do this.
What's that you don't care about anyone but yourself?
That's not fair. I'm dead, but you're not.
Subscribe to Padded Vibes channel because we test and expose the most efficient AI workflows for creators every week. Comment below and let me know where you're watching from. Let's get straight into this. Here's the problem nobody talks about. You have an idea for a video thumbnail. You generate it in Midjourney. Then you want to animate it, so you export the image, upload it to Runway, wait for processing, download the video, realize the style doesn't match, start over in a different tool. By the time you're done, you've got files scattered across 4 platforms, 3 different billing cycles, and 0 consistency between your outputs. There has to be a better way. And there is. The platform is called Wavespeed AI. Before you think this is just another AI aggregator with a fancy interface, let me show you why this is different. Most platforms give you access to one model, maybe 2 if you're lucky. Wavespeed gives you direct access to Google Veo 3.1, Nano Banana Pro, Seedream 4.5, Grok, and several other frontier models all in one workspace. But here's what makes it actually useful. Everything stays in the same project. Your prompts, your generated images, your video variations, all organized automatically. No more downloading files and re-uploading them to another platform. No more copy-pasting prompts between different sites. No more forgetting which version you sent to your client. Let me prove this works by building something live right now. I'm going to create a complete ad campaign visual for a fictional energy drink. Product shot. Background variation. Animated video version. All using different AI models without leaving one platform. Opening Wavespeed AI Studio. This is what you see when you log in. Left side shows your project library. Middle section is your prompt workspace. Right side displays your generated outputs. I'm starting with a simple product shot prompt. Sleek energy drink can on ice with electric blue lightning in background, studio photography, high contrast, commercial quality. In the settings panel, I'm selecting Nano Banana Pro as my model. Output resolution 1024 by 1024. Generating one image to start. Hitting generate. Watch the speed here. That took less than 8 seconds. This is production quality fast enough for real client work where you're iterating quickly. The image looks solid. Clean product shot with dramatic lighting. Exactly what I described. Now here's where the workflow gets powerful. I want to test a different style without starting over. Clicking on the same image. Selecting image edit. Changing my prompt to same energy drink can but with cyberpunk neon cityscape background. Keep product centered and lit from above. Generate again. New variation in 6 seconds. Both versions are now saved in the same project. I can compare them side by side. Show both to a client. Use one for Instagram and one for YouTube. This is what proper asset management looks like. Now let me show you the model switching capability that makes this platform unique. I want to see how Seedream 4.5 interprets the exact same prompt. Switching models in the drop-down. Same prompt. Generate. Now I have the same concept rendered by 2 different AI models in the same project folder. No re-uploading images. No rewriting prompts on different platforms. This matters because different models have different strengths. Nano Banana Pro is incredible for photorealism. Seedream 4.5 has a unique artistic style. Being able to test both instantly gives you creative options. But images are just the beginning. Let's turn this into video. Clicking image to video on my favorite version. The image automatically loads into the video generator. Selecting Veo 3.1 as my video model. This is Google's latest video generation AI and it's shockingly good. My prompt for the video. Dynamic camera push in on energy drink can, ice particles flying, electric sparks dancing, cinematic commercial style. Duration set to 6 seconds. Resolution 720p for faster generation. Hitting generate. Video generation takes longer than images, but this is still faster than most standalone platforms. About 90 seconds for a 6-second clip. And there it is. Smooth camera movement. The ice and lightning effects look natural. This is broadcast quality output from a text prompt and one click. Think about what I just did. Product image in Nano Banana Pro. Style variation. Video conversion in VO 3.1. All in the same project without juggling platforms. If you're a content creator, this workflow is a game changer. Let me give you 3 real-world use cases where Wavespeed AI destroys the traditional multi-platform approach. Use case 1. YouTube thumbnail testing. You want to test 5 different thumbnail concepts before publishing your video. Away. Generate in Midjourney, download, upload to Canva, add text, export, repeat 5 times. Wavespeed Way. Generate 5 variations in one project using different models. Compare side by side. Download your winner. Total time saved, 30 minutes per video. Use case 2. Social media content batch creation. You need 20 posts for the month with consistent branding. Away. Generate images in Leonardo, download all of them, upload to another platform for variations, lose track of which version is which, create one master project. Generate variations with consistent prompts. Keep everything organized in one library. Export in batches. Use case 3. Client presentation materials. You're pitching creative concepts and need multiple options fast. Generate across all of them. Compile results in Google Drive. Send messy folder to client. Wavespeed Way. Generate all concepts in one project. Share project link directly. Client sees organized professional presentation. Now let's talk about the developer side because this is where Wavespeed AI gets really interesting. If you're building any kind of AI-powered app, you normally have to integrate multiple APIs. Each one has different documentation, different rate limits, different billing. Wavespeed gives you one API key that accesses all their models. Your code stays clean. One integration instead of 5. Your users get access to multiple AI models through your app. You don't maintain separate connections to each provider. This is huge for anyone building AI tools, browser extensions, or automation workflows. Imagine you're building a design tool for small businesses. You want to offer AI-generated logos, product photos, and short videos. Without Wavespeed, you're integrating Midjourney API, Runway API, Stable Diffusion API separately. Different error handling for each. Different monitoring. Different billing reconciliation. With Wavespeed, one API call with a model parameter. Your app stays simple. Your users get choices. You deploy faster. Now let's address the obvious question. What does this cost? Wavespeed operates on a credit system. You buy credits. Different models cost different amounts per generation. Nano Banana Pro is affordable for high-volume work. VO 3.1 costs more because video generation is computationally expensive. But here's the key advantage. You're not paying 6 monthly subscriptions. You're paying per use for exactly what you generate. If you use my link in the description, you get $1 in free credits to test every model. That's enough for dozens of images or several videos. Try it before you commit to anything. Let me show you one more power feature. Project templates and prompt libraries. Once you dial in a style that works, you can save that entire prompt configuration. Next time you need that exact look, one click loads everything. This is critical for brand consistency. If you're managing social media for a client, you need their visual style to stay consistent across hundreds of posts. Save the prompt template. Every new post matches the brand guidelines automatically. The speed difference between Wavespeed and traditional multi-platform workflows is insane. Old workflow. Idea, open Midjourney, generate, download, open Runway, upload, generate video, download, open editing software, compile. Total time 20 minutes. Wavespeed workflow. Idea, generate image, Convert to video, download. Total time 3 minutes. That's not an exaggeration. I just did it in this video. For professional creators working on deadlines, that time savings is worth thousands of dollars per month. Here's my honest take after testing this platform extensively. Wavespeed AI is perfect for 3 types of people. Content creators who need to produce high volumes of visual content fast. YouTubers, social media managers, newsletter writers, developers building AI-powered products who want clean, simple API access without integration hell. The free tiers of individual platforms work fine for casual use. Drop a comment with what you build. I want to see your results. If this video just consolidated your entire AI workflow into one platform, smash that like button and subscribe to Padded Vibes channel. I'll see you in the next one.